Hi guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. And today topic is for loop. And previously I will explain will and do will. And you not watching that videos, and I'm providing description and to check it out that videos. And after this video will explain clearly, crystal clear. I will explain it. And for now, this is a for loop time. Let's that do that for loop. And for loop, a for loop is a repetition control structure that allows you efficient write a loop that need execute a specific number of times. A for loop is useful when you know how many times task is be repeated, that many times is repeated. And the syntax is for installation. This syntax is very crystal clear to understand. Initialization, condition, increment or decrement, and statement. All providing only this way. And for work below, and just do the syntax, check it out, and explain public logic. And for installation, condition, increment and decrement, system.out.println. Let's start the video. For let's do the for loop. And for is initialization this, and condition this, and increase and decrease this. These three types also include this. And will or do will are same. Some condition statement, increase and decrease. Condition increase and decrease is a different types in executing, but one line is executed. Initialization, let's do the practically. We'll explain it clearly practically. Okay, let's do the practically. And first of all, download java first program, and java project. Inside create a project inside class name tc001 for loop, and public finish. And let's do that. I'm not installation in is equal to 10. I'm not installation. The, that means for is installed. Let's take it int a equal to 1 and a greater than 20. Condition, I will provide condition, will provide I will provide installation, I will provide condition, I will provide increase and decreasing also. A plus plus, I will increase and decrease. Let's for in initialization and condition and increase and decrease. Let's do that. This is the exact initialization int a. I will install one app. What is it? I will install one value a is equal to 1. I will condition that value. I will increase and decrease that value. Okay, you will understand it clearly. And see, so plus a, this is the value, value is Control S and run this program, and is 20 times is printed, and the value is 2, the value is 3. Install a value 1 and a is equal to 1 and increase value 1. The value is 1. The value 1 is printed, and after again passing the value and 2 is printed, again condition is 3. Repeated activity 20 times. I will one idea about this. Control S and let's run this value. 20 also printed in the bottom, and I will one idea. I will decrease the value. Control S. Maybe not running that application. This application is running, not stopping. I will change that. Oh no, what the? It's fine. It's not. I will stop this animation and I will close the Eclipse. This is crazy. Exact that problem. What is that problem? Is that minus value is not about stop and the stop increase and stop condition is not there. That's the reason is value is repeating, not stopping condition is not there. That's the reason is a repeat activity not there, and the main thing. And let's do this program correct way. Okay, that program is not saved. That's the reason. I'll save that for loop for will minus, but that value is not this value. That value is minus 20. I will do this is correct in a is not less than, and a is greater than. Y means a1 and minus 20. Let's do it this. Let's run it. The value is printed. Increasing value, decreasing value. 1 is 1 decreasing, 0 decreasing, -1 -1 decreasing, -2 -3 decreasing, -4 -5 decreasing. That's same time further so and so. This is the for loop, and decreasing values are there, and a is 1 is printed and repeated passing the 1 -0 0 is decreasing, -1 -1 decreasing, -2 printed, -3 printed, -4 -3 printed. That the main repeated activity again, and this is the for loop. And I will thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.